And the next one, that is the Rutherford's nuclear model of atom. The proton is always equal to the number of the electrons, as overall atom is the neutral. Clear? As you know that atom is going to have equal number of protons and electrons to maintain the overall neutrality of the atom. So same theory is given by the Rutherford, that positive charge and mass of the atom was concentrated in extremely small region called nucleus. Clear? So that region, this region in which positive charge of the atom will going to concentrate, this is known as the nucleus of the atom. Clear? And the nucleus is surrounded by the electrons that moves around the nucleus with a high speed in circular paths are called orbits. As you can see that in Bohr's model also you are going to study this point, that atom will going, this is the nucleus, this is the first shell, and this is the second shell for the atom. Clear? So these shells are known as the orbits in which there is the movement of the electrons. Clear? So the nucleus is surrounded by electrons that moves around the nucleus with a high speed in the circular paths called orbits. As I have drawn here, that this is the nucleus of the atom, and in this orbit these are electrons that are going to revolve around the nucleus of the atom in fixed paths. जो ये path है, ठीक है, इस path में अपन की बोलते हैं, that is known as the orbit. Clear? And electrons, and this model of the Rutherford is totally resembling with the solar system in which the planets revolve around the sun. As in solar system we can take the example of that this is the sun, and planets are also revolving around it in the circular or elliptical orbits. This is the best example that is showing the resemblance of the model of the atom with the solar system. Clear? Here nucleus is replaced by the sun in case of solar system, and planets are going to play the role of the electrons. Clear? And in case of electrons and nucleus are held together by the electrostatic forces of attraction. Clear? Here you can see जो forces ने, ठीक है, जो कि है electrons ਨੂੰ fixed path ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ revolve ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ responsible ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, that are known as the electrostatic forces of attraction, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ charged particles ਦੇ between ਹੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ occur ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Clear? But in case of solar system ਜੋ forces planets ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੈ sun ਦੇ surrounding ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ revolve ਕਰਨ 'ਚ helpful ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, that is centripetal and centrifugal forces. Clear? But here in case of atom you can see that electrons and nucleus are held together by strong electrostatic forces, जो कि है orbits ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ path है ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ fix ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਾਂ distance ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ different orbits ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕੀ fix ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ with the help of the electrostatic forces, ਜੋ ਕਿ charged particles ਦੇ between forces ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? Clear? And then